some
Sergio.
Yes.
Na global for you. They achieve your survey.
Oh, but I just wanted to look at this one. Oma pick some constituencies, 37 of them. Almost say almost share 37 most populated constituencies.
Okay.
Nti Oma ye
276.
I and Oma ye be.
Okay.
Na Ashanti region dina interest ho dina mpese ko hwe ho kakra because almost start here no number 1 I'm for my Facebook page Akoma 87.9 FM.
Okay.
So this is it.
Okay.
Number 1 the Ashanti region 1 2 3 4 5 constituencies from the Ashanti region.
So it's Kwabri East, Atwema Kwanwoma.
In fact, yes.
So and Asanwase.
Yes. Out of it ba konso share in Fifi where Ashanti region constituency Efija Kwabri South.
Okay.
Right? Now this is it.
Yes, Efija Kwabri South. 28 item.
Good.
28.
Good. Enti I'm for my Facebook page. Ubetima join here na nyina so ye di dwuma kama. Now the first one
Kwabri East.
Almost share constituencies no any baby a ebeko.
Okay.
Nti share or say constituency
voter population
voters and are tipped to win presidential.
Okay.
Tipped to win presidential.
It will share a year Kwabri East constituency. Voter population no according to a year info analytics no a 145,479.
Yes.
Which is the most populated voter population in terms of constituency in the Ashanti region. And the most populated. Wufri hwa e wa Ashanti region. Wufri hwa na wo ba Atwema Kwanwoma. And also kuta 120,302, the second most populated voter population.
Yeah.
As far as constituency is concerned. Ewo Asante Mantama. Afei Ofori Krom so kuta 116,055. And just kuta 111,350. 111,300 and then 50.
Yeah.
Inti almost so edie enono. Now, wufri hwa wo call
Aswansi, yes.
Yes. Aswansi kuta voter population of 108,595. Now if you waba near yo Efija Kwabri South. Omukuta 106,873.
Okay. So now according to Global Info Analytics, the Oma unit we attempt to win presidential. And some constituencies here can want some nyina no. Aye constituencies are apart from Aswansi, right? Apart from Aswansi, constituencies nyina ye constituencies are the New Patriotic Party.
Yes.
A seat. I mean for the parliamentary no. And of course Oma Wenya. Abas me pese obabuaye.
Okay.
Na the 2020 results no for each constituency we are na yaba be share yen kasaye dia na no prince be ho adwuma. We want to look at it na ya share. According to Global Info Analytics, I'm say tipped to win presidential no Kwabri East NPP. NPP will win the presidential elections war Kwabri East. Number 2 Atwema Kwanwoma or say NPP ebe win presidential no Ofori Krom NPP Ejeso NPP but we dem say we know Evans sa constituencies we nyina dey here Global Info for to tell us constituencies are NPP be winning
because already
except that maybe Obama yen further details as to whether say the votes appreciation any the end so beba form and no be boy.
Yeah.
And na o say Aswansi so NDC na be winning of course. And they ushemu a eno MPP for so any abre Aswansi pa now afidie kwabe south ɔsɛ the NPP ebe win the presidential ɛwɔ hɔ good deɛ wayɛ ne nyinaa deɛ bebree wɔ hɔ a wɔbɛbɔ so Techiman south Sunyani east Awutu Senya east Gomoa east Dome Kwabenya ei ɛwɔ Dome Kwabenya ade ɛhɔ yɛ
Dome Kwabenya yɛ Adwoasafo na esi wɔ MP but don't forget say omo yɛ primary no Professor Michael Kwe Nebano Michael Kwe Jr.
But in this I want to confirm it. The 10th on the league and now on the table, no.
The 10th on
Dome Kwabenya. Is it Dome Kwabenya?
Dome Kwabenya, yes. Dome Kwabenya constituency.
Or tipping the NDC to win yes. the presidential.
The last time NPP ne win presidential. And now you see what tipping NDC to win the presidential.
Wow. Maminya me first draw na yenwrem. Maminya me first draw na yenwrem na yenhwe how enema esitie ewo ho. Yes. Okay, right. Yes. So this is Dome Kwabenya. Yes, this is Dome Kwabenya there. Thank you very much production. According to Global Info Analytics, John Dramani Mahama will win by 50%. Will win with 50%. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebenya 48%. Alan de Omani 0 ho. And Nana Kwame Bediako enso 2%. The others no a 0 at the constituency.
Say Ekobane say that will be the first time Dome Kwabenya NDC win presidentials. Almost criticity in 2004. And of course, 2004 presidential NPP enya 65.7%, NDC enya 32.9%. 2008 NPP enya 60.3%, NDC enya 38.0%. 2012 NPP enya 61.9%, NDC enya 37.5%. 2016 NPP enya 67.1%, NDC enya 32.2%. Of course, 2020 elections, NPP nya 60.58%, NDC nya 38.71%. So, Sir John, who say NDC almost appreciate it, even though not a marginal, no, they have been appreciating in terms of, within the last couple of elections, because me the 2012 crowd, you know, a year exemplar. NPP nya 61%. Of course, omo improve 2008 performance, which was 60.3%, and omo increasing marginally by 61.9%. NDC, on the other hand, 2008 na omo 38.0%, you know, omo drop it to 37.5% in 2012. In fact, in 2016, almost had drop it further 32.2%. But in 2016, in fact, in 2020, omo appreciate from 32%, you know. Omnicor 38%.
That is
NDC.
Yes. The last election 2020.
The last election 2020, MPP nya 60%. Of course, 2016 no. Now omukuta 67.1%. But 2020 no drop it to a year 60%. NDC on the other hand, 2016 no omukuta 32.2%. 2020 omu appreciate it to 38.71%.
And Musa Dankwa project is the NDC will win that seat.
But that would be a major if they are able to win. If Musa Dankwa anyway, to go by, because 38.71%. Let's say my idea power for them to leapfrog, and as we sign a year MPP 60.58%. No, normal grab seat. No, let's say omo ayedmo hopa. But yeah, baby,
anyway, yes, yeah, be share baby. So the kind of society body, hono. But yen share